customer seems to be a common theme here at WEC 19. Mark, you're going to talk on that topic tomorrow. What's kind of one of the takeaways you want people to leave with after they hear what you're going to say?
I think one of the main takeaways is that there's a lot of value in the data that resides inside these networks, right? And so one of the things that we focus on is really collecting as much and as different kinds of data as we can to aggregate it, correlate it, so that we can then provide really valuable information back to the operator for their decision-making purposes. And then really the next step is making that data actionable. So what happens then once you learn something is, how, for instance, can you identify subscribers that might be prime upgrade candidates, for instance, because, broadband is growing so fast that we need to help operators monetize that growth. And so, again, collecting more and different kinds of data, aggregating it, and turning it into information is one way to help operators do that.
What are the sources of the data that you use?
So we collect data from a myriad of different systems. So from the network itself, from the CMTS layer, we'll collect usage information per subscriber. We can collect data such as network health information, network utilization from the CMTS. We also collect data from the operator's billing system and CRM system to be able to correlate, the package plan that subscribers are on. And we also can look inside the home, actually, at the number and type of devices that are connected within their Wi-Fi environment. Because all those data attributes really can be looked at in a holistic way to provide a lot of information about customers to help diagnose issues, again, to help monetize. The more and different types of data from all those different systems, we really focus on bringing that all together in one place.
And I imagine there's a lot of different actions that can be taken by different groups, whether they're marketing, engineering. How do you get that out to the right people at the right time?
No, that's a great point. In fact, when we started in this business, our focus was on helping network engineering really, understand where there was congestion on the network and who might be causing it at any given time. But what was interesting is once we had all this data in one place, we saw interest then from the marketing groups to say, hey, help us understand how our packages are configured, and should we be changing the way we're looking at our products on the broadband side that we're offering to the consumer. And then when you get into things like usage-based billing and where subscribers are getting charged when they reach certain usage limits, they need to know, how much usage at any given time is being that they've accumulated in the month. So it becomes a customer care tool as well. So again, because of the different types of data we collect, it ends up having appeal to all the different functional groups within the organization.
Now, you guys are also collecting more than data, at least at this conference. You're collecting something in this box here. OV Cares, why don't you tell us about that?
No, absolutely. So we actually started at this conference collecting unused items from hotels. We all travel a lot in this industry, right? So we all end up at hotels with unused items, shampoos and whatnot that obviously have a lot of value for homeless shelters and other organizations. So we're very proud to partner here with the NCTC and WEC to collect all the unused items that people at the show want to bring to us, and then at each city moving forward, we'll donate that grouping of items to some sort of nice charity that can make use of it.
Excellent. Well, with the number of people here, that should be quite a few bottles. So, Mark, I appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.